Welcome back to the CCNA series. Today, we're tackling one of the most foundational concepts in IP addressing, the subnet mask. Think of the mask as a ruler laid across an IP address, drawing a clear line between the network portion and the host portion. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly why /24 equals 255.255.255.0 and what that really means under the hood. So let's see that ruler in action. Take the IP 192.168.1.10 with a /24. Line it up in binary against the mask, and wherever the mask has a 1, that bit belongs to the network. Wherever it has a 0, that bit belongs to the host. The first 24 bits give us the network, 192.168.1.0, and the last 8 bits identify the specific device, in this case, 10. You've already been writing it this whole time. That little slash number is CIDR notation, and it's just a count of how many ones are in the mask. A /8 gives you a massive network with over 16 million hosts. /16 drops you down to about 65,000. /24 leaves you the familiar 254, and a /30 gives you just 2. Perfect for a point-to-point link between two routers. So where do those host counts actually come from? It's a simple formula. 2 raised to the number of host bits, minus 2. A /24 leaves 8 host bits, so 2 to the 8th minus 2 gives you 254. A /26, 6 host bits, 62 hosts, and a /30, just 2 bits, gets you exactly 2 usable addresses. We subtract 2 every time because the first address identifies the network itself, and the last one is reserved for broadcast. Neither can be assigned to a device. Let's make those reserved addresses concrete using 192.11 and 68.1.0 total 24. The very first address, .0, is the network address. It names the subnet but can't be assigned to a device. .1 is typically your gateway, the first usable host, and .254 is the last. Then .255 is the broadcast. It reaches every host on the subnet, but it's also off limits. Everything in between .1 through .254 is yours to assign, exactly 254 usable hosts. And that sets us up perfectly for the big one. Lesson 4, Subnetting Step by Step. This is where everything we've built so far, the mask, the CIDR notation, the network and host split, comes together into a repeatable process you can run in your head. If this series has been useful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. The full course is waiting on Dargslan.com. See you in the next lesson.